Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're going to start in a kneeling position. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Again, big inhale, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Interlace your fingers together as you press your palms forward. Lift your arms up overhead as you arch your back, dropping your head back. And round your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest, pressing the hands forward. One more time, reach up and back, arching your back, and you round your spine. Come into your tabletop position on hands and knees. Let's take a big body circle to the right. And to the left. Come into your cow pose, arching your back, looking up at the ceiling. In cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest as you sink your hips back onto your heels. Shift forward onto your forearms as you press up into your cow pose. Again, you round your spine, cat pose, send your hips back onto your heels. One more time, shift forward onto the forearms, pressing up into that cow pose. And now you relax your spine, tuck your toes, and press up into your down dog. And maybe you pedal the legs out, bending and straightening. Straighten both legs as you press into the palms a little bit more. Look forward and step to the top of your mat, forward fold. Halfway lift, hands come to shins. Forward fold. Chair pose, sink your hips deep, sweep the arms up overhead. The weight is in your heels. Flying chair, send your arms behind you. And back to your chair pose. Keep your right foot where it is as you step your left foot behind you, bringing the arms behind you as well. And that back heel is lifted. Come into your high crescent lunge, reaching your arms up overhead. Lower your hands down in front of you. And maybe you walk that front foot up a little bit, sinking deep into your hips for low lunge. And you reach your right arm up for low lunge twist. Reach that right arm behind you and back down onto the mat. Step your back foot forward for forward fold. Halfway lift and forward fold. You come back into your chair pose. Flying chair, send the arms behind you. Back to your chair pose. Arms come behind you as you step your right foot back. Hinging forward at the hips. High crescent lunge, reach your arms overhead. Add a bend in that back knee. Lower your hands down, low lunge, and lift that left arm up high. Reach the arm behind you, and you lower it down. Step that back foot in for forward fold. Halfway lift. Come into your high plank. Send the hips up and back for your downward facing dog. Back to your high plank, bring your right knee into your chest. Back to your downward facing dog. Again, high plank, left knee into the chest, down dog, and you keep repeating this at your own pace. You can do it, give it your all. We are almost done. Let's come back into our down dog and walk your feet up towards your hands, opening the legs, coming into Malasana, sinking the hips down, toes are turned out, and you have the option to bring your hands to heart center. Lengthening your back, sitting up tall. Have a seat with your legs out in front of you. Take a big inhale as you reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Let's come back up. Coming into a cross-legged position. Circle your arms up overhead as you bring your hands to heart center for one final deep inhale in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.